In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use HubSpot meeting links. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll be fully equipped to create and manage your meeting links efficiently. To begin, head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and select the Login button. It's easy to find and is typically where you'll access your HubSpot account. Next, you'll be presented with various options to log in, but for simplicity, choose the Sign in with Google option. This is a quick and secure way to sign in using your Google account. Just be sure you're logged into the correct Google account that you want connected to your HubSpot access. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the left panel of the interface. Here you'll find several menu options. You're going to head over to the Sales section. Once you click on this, look for the meeting scheduler within. Click on the meeting scheduler option to get started on setting up your meeting link. In the meeting scheduler, locate the Create Scheduling Page option, usually found at the top right corner. Clicking this will prompt you to choose the type of meeting you want to schedule. Here, HubSpot gives you the flexibility to select different meeting formats depending on your needs. Whether it's a one-on-one, a group meeting, or any other type, make sure you choose the right format that suits your purpose. After selecting your meeting type, you'll need to give it an internal name. This is for your reference and helps keep your meetings organized. Once you've got that name in place, you'll want to determine the event organizer. Typically, this would be you if you're setting up the meeting, but if you're doing it on behalf of someone else, make sure to select the correct organizer. Subsequently, provide an event title. Make it clear and descriptive so it's easily recognizable by your attendees. Following this, add the location details. This could be a physical location or a virtual meeting link, depending on how you're hosting your meeting. Then type in a brief meeting description. Here, you should include any relevant details, goals for the meeting, or instructions for the participants. Once done, click on Next. Now you will have the opportunity to edit the scheduling page link, ensuring it's shareable and easy to remember for your attendees. Finally, select the date and time for your meeting from the calendar on the right side. Once configured to your preferred schedule, click on Next. At this final stage, you'll need to decide how to automate the invite and reminder processes. Set it according to your desired automation preferences, then click on Create Scheduling Page. With these simple steps, your HubSpot meeting link is all set up, ready to make scheduling seamless and efficient.